Welcome to Busselton Jetty, the longest timber-piled jetty in the Southern Hemisphere, stretching nearly 2 kilometres into the turquoise waters of Geograph Bay in Australia's stunning southwest. But this isn't just a jetty. Beneath the surface lies a hidden world, alive with colour, movement and mystery. It's the heart of the Busselton Jetty Environment Foundation, dedicated to marine education, conservation and research. The jetty's underwater pylons are encrusted with hundreds of marine species, soft corals, sponges and flowing schools of fish, forming a spectacular vertical reef teeming with life. In a bay mostly covered by sandy seafloor and seagrass meadows, this structure has become something extraordinary. An artificial reef that's evolved naturally over decades into a complex, thriving ecosystem. The introduction of the underwater sculpture park has taken this underwater marvel even further. By increasing the hard surface area beneath the jetty, it's created a new home for marine species to settle, grow and thrive. No matter where we live, we all depend on healthy oceans for life on Earth. Oceans produce more than half the oxygen we breathe. They regulate our climate, support livelihoods, absorb carbon emissions, and provide us with food, medicine, and inspiration. The more we understand their rhythms and changes, the better we can care for them, for ourselves, and for future generations. Every day, our staff conduct marine species surveys, recording the species seen from the underwater observatory windows. The sculpture park itself is under constant observation, and with the help of new technologies, like remotely operated vehicles, marine monitoring is becoming easier and more precise than ever before, helping researchers understand how new habitats are colonised. By combining this with our wave activity and ocean temperature monitoring, we help researchers track how new habitats form and understand how climate change is impacting our oceans. And that matters, because understanding our oceans is key to protecting them. And it's not just scientists making an impact. Community members are stepping up too. Through citizen science projects like iNaturalist and RedMap Australia, everyday people are helping identify species, record sightings, and contribute vital data to marine research. And the best part? Anyone can get involved, even you. The Foundation's conservation efforts go far beyond the water. Our team regularly leads beach and underwater cleanups, rescues injured seabirds, undertakes pile rehabilitation, and delivers educational programming, all to ensure the jetty's ecosystems remain healthy and that we are inspiring the next generation of environmental stewards and leaders. We also support groundbreaking research in marine pharmacology, studies that could one day lead to life-saving medicines from the sea. Because Busselton Jetty is more than wood and water. It's a living laboratory, a coastal sanctuary, and a shining example of what happens when science, nature, and community come together. So how can you help? Join the Busselton Jetty Environment Foundation in protecting our oceans. Your small actions can have a big impact. Consider reducing your use of single-use plastics, shopping locally, or volunteering your time to care for and clean up in your local areas. By working together, we can ensure a healthier future for our blue planet. Welcome to a sea of discovery.